Yes, Taisha. How may I help you?
Teacher, Junior asks if him can go inside of me.
What? Junior! Tell me you didn't say that. Tell me you did not say that. Yes, miss. Cause me here says she's a jacket. And what you do with jacket? You not go inside it. No, that's not what jacket mean. Jacket mean her father is not her father.
What? My father is not my father.
No, that's not what me mean. You see what make happen now, little boy? You see what make happen? Well, miss, who is her father? Why you ask me? How me if you know? No, wait, me never mean it like that. No. No, Junior, this is all your fault. Later on that night.
Hello? Listen to me, dirty teacher. Educate yourself before you come educate my daughter. But who or who not is our father. Me and you are little dirty stinking man never lay down in on our bed. You don't know our father from nowhere. Alright? So please do stay in your lane and move up. Sure.